Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Great Unboxing Experiment. My name is Antonio, and tonight we're going to be diving into some mystery boxes, or grab bags as they call them here at Michael's. All right, now as you can see, I picked up 8 different boxes. For this first video, I'm going to jump into 2, possibly 3, and then we'll take it from there. All right, now I have no idea what is inside these boxes, so let's jump in together and find out, shall we? Now I will say these Michael mystery boxes, these are a pretty good deal. Here in Fort Lauderdale, I paid just $5 a box. I've seen some other people paying anywhere from maybe $10, even $20 at some places. But yeah, I looked at it only $5. That could be because it's the end of their sale. They've already gotten rid of the boxes at $10 or the boxes at $20. Now, one other thing I do want to point out is a couple of the boxes, this store had maybe 20, 25 left. Now, some of these boxes, all of them come taped up. All right, but some boxes have been ripped open so you could kind of sort of see what was inside, and that kind of takes the fun out of it. You know, this is an unboxing experiment. So it's an experiment to see if you really get your $5 back, if it's worth it, if you want to resell. And, you know, it's up to you, whatever you want to do with it. All right, so let's jump in. All right off the top, I can see, I am filming this at the beginning of April. So it most likely is going to be, I thought, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, and maybe some Christmas. But I'm pretty confident that we got Christmas in the majority of these boxes. So I'm fine with that. But let's jump in. So first things first. We have an Ashland chain garland. Retails US $14.99. Still brand new. Not bad. We got, looks like felt, full sheets, 15 pieces, $4.99. All right, I think some crafters I know might be able to use that. Here we got two in one. First thing is we have another of these 6-foot garland by Ashland. So that's awesome. That one looks small, I don't know, could be the same. And then we also got a reindeer. It looks like table decor, tabletop decor. It's a reindeer with a green bow and bell on a nice little wooden stand. And this one retails for $17. All right. Now we all know the truth about Michael's. So you'll see on their website $16.99. I'm sorry, you'll see in the store $16.99, $29.99. But we all know that Michael's always has a coupon going on. Okay, whether it be for 40%, 50%, or even 60%. So let's assume all these prices, we can really knock 60% off. At the end of this video, I'm going to tally everything up and give you the actual retail price and then what the discounted price is as well. We have some celebrated tulle, 6 foot of tulle, and this is glittery. The price on it is $13. So again, with that, you want to think probably $5. All right. Oh, this one feels... Oh, this is kind of cool. This is tabletop decor. This is a gala. This is a little, I guess, snowman-esque, depending on where you're coming from. So he is maybe 11 inches. No jokes. And this one comes in at $24.99. So that's not bad. I'm going to keep him right here. I like this guy. I might be keeping him. Fucking glitter. All right, we got Creatology Palm and Bell Garland Kit for 8+. This is a craft kit. Comes in at $8, and that's the back of it. All right, so far so good. $5? I mean, it can't be. This feels similar. Oh, jeez. All right, now this is the guy that came out before, who I said was maybe 11 inches, 12 inches. The smaller one retails for $24.99. The only difference between these two and the size, this guy's silver and this guy is kind of like a mint green. This is also gala is what they call it. $24.99 I said, and $39.99 for this guy. This guy's pretty cool. He's very well done. All right, let me put you over there. Wow, this table's filling up and I'm only on the first box. All right, we got some green ribbon, but it actually looks to be like a yarn type of ribbon. But hey, I'm not mad at it. Retails for $13. So again, $5. Would you pay $5 for just that? I know I wouldn't. Oh, this is a nice. This is a nice ribbon. This actually is more of a braided. I don't know if you can see that. This is a braided ribbon, and this comes in at 30 foot. All right. Yeah, that's 30 foot. That'd be nice to put on, trim on various table decor. Uh-oh. Don't be getting into ribbon. This is a green velour ribbon. This is pretty nice. And this is narrow ribbon, priced at $4. Oh, okay. This is what I was looking for from Michael's Arts and Crafts. This is Creatology Canvas Ornament Kit. So you have a Christmas ball ornament that can be painted, but then it does include the paint and simple paintbrushes. So this would be good, for like a snow day, for a rainy day. I'm in Florida, so it's rainy day here. All right. We got more ribbon. There's one of your leaves. We got more ribbon. This is $13 as well. This is like a white and gold rope. That's pretty nice. Which one do we have in here? This is yet another ribbon. This is also $13. This is almost, it's like a red rope with some pom-poms spaced out maybe every quarter of an inch or so. All right, let me just try and grab as many ribbons as I can. I'm trying not to look. I want to be surprised like you guys are. You know how I got into doing this? Was sitting on the couch like you are, watching videos of people doing this. All right, so we got another one of the green velour ribbon. I'll put these together so I can do the pricing. We got another one of the green velour ribbon, and then we got a pretty nice thick ribbon. I forget what that design is called. This is a wide ribbon actually, so that's better for tying bows and things of that nature. We got a Creatology Winter Pendant Kit. Oh, so it's not Christmas, it's just a winter pendant kit. All right, and this retails for $5. All right, I feel a couple of these. Okay, so this one said, "Snow much fun, let it snow." We have one that says, "Nice, naughty." Again, these are pendants that you can make yourself. Each one contains 2. Again, $5. Naughty and nice, $5. And then snow much fun and let it snow again. Again, 2 in each. There's still more in here. All right, we got 1, 2. All right, so we got 2 more of those, the Christmas ball ornaments that can be painted, again with the paint. And these are $8 each. All right. This is Holiday Pines Wall Decor, $29.99. And it says Noel. That's pretty cool. All right, I think we're doing pretty good for $5, man. Wait, there's another one in here. I don't want to break anything. Oh, this is pretty neat. So this is a nutcracker holding a chalkboard. And this is $24.99. This is also Ashland as well. So that's pretty neat. So you can put things on here. You can put, breakfast, your breakfast menu. You put on here coffee, donuts, whatnot. You can even do a countdown to Christmas on there. You know how they say 18 more days till Christmas, 24 more days till Christmas. All right, I think I'm just gonna look now. Oh wait, there's still more things in there. So we got another one. This is a tree coloring board. So it looks to be 2 different boards that you can paint. This one does not have the paint with it like the Christmas ball did. So if you get the Christmas ball, then you can pick up. This is a 2-pack of trees in here, and this retails for $5 as well. This one does not have the paint, like I said. All right, and then the last one, this kind of wedged in here. All right, so this is a list. This is This retails for $34.99. And this lists all of your reindeer. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen. But that's not the most famous reindeer, though. All right. All right, so that is everything for box one. I think we did pretty damn good for $5. I think I'm going to put some of this stuff up on eBay. Ideally, I'm going to start listing stuff on my own personal website once that gets up and running. But if you want, in the meantime, if you want any of this stuff, you can email me directly at Hammock, HAMMOCK, surfing, SURFING, shop, SHOP, at gmail.com. So it's Hammock Surfing Shop at gmail.com. All right, box number 2. Again, this box looks like it was beat up. There's a lot of tape and rip on it. Like, there's excess tape. With people at the store, I mean, the shoppers at the store obviously, try to go pick over it, because people, they don't want to put up $5 and not feel like they're not getting their money back, or they may not even know about this. So we shall see. But this one I've looked in just as I was opening the box. So I see 3 of these. So each of these, this is a Creatology embroidery hoop kit. That's pretty cool. That retails for $8. This is another one of the Pom Pom and Bells. That was much like we got in the last box. So now I got a 2-pack of those. So that's pretty cool. And then also we have a cookie garland kit. All right. You're not making cookies with this one. They're little felt pieces. All right. Let's start with the ribbon. So we got a red, looks like a red card. Is it cardboard? No, it's like a red leathery vinyl type of thing. This is $13. It says ho, ho, ho over and over and over. It's pretty cool. We have another one of these, but this one's thinner. Remember the one we got before was thicker? This one, it's the same pattern, it's just thinner. Ribbon. Another ho, ho, ho. I know somebody to give that to. Okay, so this is just going to get thrown out, I think. This is much like, remember that green stuff that I was telling you guys about earlier? I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's right here. It's very similar to rope, or like a really thick yarn. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. All right, we got a flocked nutcracker. This guy's pretty cool. He's like a mint green, lime green color. And he retails for $19.99. All right, not bad. So between him and the Santa Claus, I guess it's the Santa Claus, the Old Man Winter or Old Saint Nick that we got, that's pretty cool. Okay, here's another reindeer. Sitting on a post with a flag. Let me put it right here so you can possibly see it. And then it says Noel sitting right down there. Metal, pretty cool. Very well made. This is also Ashland. This comes in at $25. All right. Yeah, I think we're doing pretty darn well for the $5 investment. Another one of these ribbons. I'm sorry, the garland. All right. And again, just a reminder, these are $15 a piece. And oh no! Look what I got, brothers. That's pretty cool. Oh, these would be neat if you could put them like on either end of a fireplace, either ends of a display. That's pretty cool. I like that. Very happy with that. Now I can definitely keep one without having to sell it. Then we also have a metal farmhouse style Christmas tree. Little shelves. So you can use each of these as shelves. Put your little knickknacks on here. You put this near a coffee bar. You can put K-cups. You can put some tea bags. Little jars of honey. $24.99 on that one. All right, this table's full, and there's still more in the box. So again, this is a $10 box. I mean, the 5 and 5. Oh, this is that other, the tag for this guy being $40. So much like we had Noel on that last card, let me jump off there's glitter going to be everywhere. Much like we had Noel before, now we have Joy. That's nice. And the Joy one is $30 as well. Yeah, there's no way I'm paying $30. All right, 60% off. Let's say, what's that, 12 bucks? I'm not going to pay that either. And we got another one of the reindeer. So now we got a 2-pack. Oh, that's pretty cool. I just noticed the ribbon and bell that's on here. The ribbon and bell that are on here, they put in with the twisty tie. So you could always take it off when it's out of season. That way it looks less holiday-ish. Or if your colors are not green, then you could always put your own ribbon on there as well. Just an idea. All right, so that is... Oh, wait, there's more. Oh, this looked like it broke off. No. Oh, this is pretty neat. I remember these when I was in... remember when you used to make the snowflakes in grade school? You put it on a piece of paper and you cut out the little intricate parts. That's pretty neat. It has a hangy so you can hang it up. It's a snowman. What are those little... Okay, I'm going to date myself here. Do you remember those paper balls? They were like 12 inches. All right. Oh, okay, there we go. That's nice. Easy. Packs down small for storage. And we got more pendants. The Snow Much Fun and Let It Snow. Wait, there's more. Oh, we got another one of the Nutcracker with the chalkboard. Or you could even, if you have a store, you could put open, closed, thank you, come again. That'd be cute. All right, so far that is, that's everything from 2 boxes. All of this stuff for only, I mean, this guy alone, I would pay $10 for. And I have 2 of them. And then we have this little guy. We have the Nutcrackers chalkboard. We have this Nutcracker, Noel. We have all the garland. We have the felt. We have the paintable Christmas balls. We have all this ribbon, the garland. I don't know if I said that. The list of reindeer. And then all these craft kits for kids. I think that's. I think we hit a home run with this one. So thank you, Michael. Thumbs up. If you guys happen to see these boxes in your area, be sure to pick them up. All right. So let me tally all this up, and I'll be back with you in just a second.